Just the thing that I bought. If you guys are looking for natural hair products, that, you know, they're not that expensive for natural hair. Cause I mean, if you could buy shea butter, shea moisture, then you should be able to afford her products. This is the products that I bought. This is the 22nd Century. I got the shampoo and the conditioner. She have the stew. She have shea butter. She have so many other things and stuff. This is the website. Focus. This is the website. And stuff. And I think she shipped all over the world. That's so big. That's what she said, huh? Damn, this shit is huge, guys. Like, I don't think you could see how big it is. Oh my god, that sounds so wrong. When your mind is dirty, you know. Dirty. Alright. Anyway, like I was saying, this is the bottle. It's not fully, it's not full all the way, because obviously you can see, like, a little space right here. Conditioner should be kept refrigerated when not in use. Can be frozen for longer storage. Deep conditioner. So this is, she have different type of deep conditioner, but this one this is the ingredients: citric, shea butter, olive oil, honey, rosemary tea, vinegar, and I don't know what's that, but different type of essential oils. It does smell good. It smells very citrusy and stuff. This is, oh, it's so cold. I'm about to wash my hair right now. This is the bar soap. This is kind of like a shampoo. This is the conditioner. This is the shampoo. This is deep conditioner. You can ask for protein. I should do a protein treatment. Protein conditioner. But this is it. Second normal bar. She wrap around with this pink thing, and it's just have the ingredients and stuff. I got the peppermint just because I can. Oof, it smells so good. I got the peppermint. The peppermint have basically a mixture of different oils, shea butter, raw honey, water, cranberry juice, turmeric, and essential oils. So that's what's going on. I do like it. This deep conditioner you have to keep in the fridge if you wanna, because that's a lot. I get the biggest one. They have like a smaller one. I get the biggest one just because it did take like 4 weeks for her product to come in. Once it's shipped, it got here like really fast, but it takes like at least 4 weeks for her to, I guess, do the product and put it all together and stuff and send it. And also she get a lot of customers and stuff, so if you're trying to buy her product, please buy in advance and stuff. When you done with it, just put it in the fridge, put it in the freezer, so you could, like, because it doesn't have preservatives and stuff, so see, can be frozen for longer storage. So that's what they say. And that's the bar. Let me open the bars to show you guys.
It's kind of like a Ziploc bag. Oh, maybe I think it went here.
Oh my god, the smell of peppermint is so strong. This is how the bar look like. If you're Haitian, it look like a savon lave. But I mean, it's a decent size, That's gonna last me a long ass time, cause yeah, that's a lot. And then, oh, it smells so good too. It smells so good. She have peppermint, tea tree. Tea tree is more expensive. I think this one I got it for It doesn't say. This one I think I got it for $8.99, and then the other one I got it for 22 something, and they charged me $9 for shipping. So altogether it's kind of like, I think it was around like $38, which is not bad. And you know, it's pure, it's natural, it's organic, so go get it. 22nd Century. If you Google 22nd Century, you should be able to find it. But this is where, like, this is the website. This is the website it will send you to. She does have a YouTube channel, so check it out and stuff. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and thumbs up for the video. I'll have more videos coming up. I do have a natural hair videos coming up. You know, about like the journey of my natural hair and more. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.